Oh, I love it. It's hilarious. Oh my God, it's moving. You're hilarious. I should have peeled in, done the loop-de-loop. I should have peeled in, done the loop-de-loop.
Yeah, go ahead and go and get some donuts on the drive.
What? Got some donuts?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Go for it.
Hey guys and gals and theys and theirs and his and now. Hi everybody. We're back in the barn.
How's it going?
I'm Lindsay with
I'm
Doug. Doug, what are we doing today?
We're gonna see if we can get this engine running on the engine stand.
Awesome.
It's been sitting on just an engine stand for a few months. I don't like it sitting there. We get it on that, and then I can start it up every once in a while, and it'll run.
Fun.
So
I like it.
that's what we're gonna do.
Hopefully I can help you out.
I'm sure you can.
All right, what's first?
Okay, first we need to put this diaphragm in the carburetor. So go ahead and take this off. You have to take the
Nut.
Yep, take the wing nut off.
So how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. I haven't seen you in a while. I feel like
I know,
so
what
much
have
is
you been
happening.
What have you been up to?
Lots of work, travel, Fab Tech in Chicago. That was cool.
Did you make any good contacts?
I didn't, unfortunately, for weld, but for business, I did.
Okay, so
sorry.
take this off.
This whole thing?
Yep, just set that off the side. I'm going to try and just lay it over gently. Actually, we need to take these nuts out. Oh, there's 4 corners.
Oh, cool.
Those will probably come off by fingers.
Hey, it's more fun to use the tool.
Okay.
God, how was I going to get dirty today?
Your fingers will get dirty, but you're not going to be covered head to toe in dirt.
All right. Pull that out. This.
Yeah, you can take it. We're going to have to put it back together after we get the gear in there. You can flip that on the side. Take that.
Take this off?
Yeah.
Like just move it?
Mm-hmm. Just, oh, we need that.
Go. Okay.
Because we're flip it. This is what we have to take apart.
Can I go upside down? No.
You can go just like that. that's probably 1/2 inch.
Okay.
So you can grab that socket, pull those 4 off.
Wait,
That's the right way.
that's right?
Yep.
They're just kind of tight?
Yep.
Okay.
Here you go. Just don't drop anything down
Okay. I know this is nervous, like, oh god.
inside the
This
carburetor.
is when problems happen.
And the other end might work. I
This?
don't know, yeah. Oh, flip it. There you go.
Okay.
What you doing, Maya? I gotta use the open end now.
Right this way.
Yep. You got it.
All right, now make them like tight.
Yeah, go ahead and snug them. Next thing we need to do is we gotta get that scrape that gasket off. There, it's back. Let me get this side though. Okay. All right.
Do you get trick-or-treaters here?
No, I turn all my lights off. I'm not.
You're not out
I'm
there?
not that social. I usually buy a bunch of candy to go every year, but I always turn my lights off. So how's the golf game?
Oh my gosh, it's been really, really good. I beat
Did you
my
break
dad.
80?
I have not broken 80 yet. I was
Oh,
so close up north. I was so close, and then I had a 8, or not an 8, a triple on a number 8.
Ouch.
All right, this actually, I don't feel like that's working as well. But I beat my dad on one of the 9s.
Did you?
Yeah, I beat him by 1 stroke, and then overall for the 18, he only beat me by 1 stroke.
Oh.
So I felt like I
Is
was.
he getting, you're getting better. He's just.
He's
not
just
getting-
old.
Yeah. The end there. And that goes in there.
Does it thread in?
Yeah. Shine your light up there. Okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and put it on there. Yeah, those two you can snug up, and be careful because they're going into a plastic or a phenolic or kind of brittle.
Okay.
So you gonna do the outro?
Are we doing it where the cameras are set up?
I don't care.
Oh, this one's on me.
So,
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go to our website, welearndaily.com. Check out all of our awesome merch, which I keep saying we're going to update, which we haven't, but I promise we will someday.
and you know, our reviews seem to be relatively popular compared to some of our other videos. If you guys have things that you'd like us to review, why am I looking at that
I
camera?
don't know, I was wondering the same thing.
Keep looking there. You know, leave something in the comment section. Maybe it's something we can review. So,
Yeah, tell us what you want to know more about, and
Right.
we'll try it out.
yep.
Thanks for
Okay.
watching.
See you later.
Subscribe.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.